Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. Today's wig review is on some virgin hair that was sent to me by Beautiful Princess Hair. So thank you so much, Beautiful Princess Hair, for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new wig. Before we get started, you know what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me a big thumbs up, and make sure you're sharing these videos. Alright you guys, so today this is the unit that I have for you guys. This one is really beautiful. It's a body wave unit and it does have a frontal. I did pluck the parting space in the frontal. I plucked the frontal area, the hairline, and I also bleached the knots. So let's go ahead and, oops, I got some pins in her. So you guys, let me just let you know about this hair. I have been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks. I wore her to a birthday party for my friend. I wore her out to the club. I've been wearing this wig literally every day for 2 weeks straight. This wig is so dope because it's literally a throw on and go unit, which is hard to say for a lace frontal wig. Most lace frontal wigs take a lot of work to lay them, make them look natural. To lay them, make them look natural. Usually frontal wigs are not throw on and go wigs. They take a lot of love and care and time to look good. This one doesn't. You can literally throw her on and walk out the door. So this is what the unit looks like. She does have 3 combs at the top, 2 on the side, 1 at the top, and then 1 comb in the back, and your 2 adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and link the adjustable straps together. And I'm going to go ahead and pop her on. As you can see, I already curled the unit as well. If you like this unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review on this wig. You can click back and check it out. I will link it in the description box down below. So I don't have a cap on my head right now. I'm not sure if I'll actually need one or not. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on just to see if I will. I don't know, I think putting a cap on may do more harm than good. I mean, it does get a little dark here, but I can brighten it with a little bit of powder. So I think I'm gonna pass on putting a cap on because I really don't think it will be that much of an improvement. And so you see what I mean? This unit is very much so like you could just pop her on, and this is what I've been doing, is literally just putting her on. Without doing too much. She just looks really natural. I'm gonna go ahead and comb these curls out a little bit. The hair is so soft, you guys. Super soft. So lightweight. Love how these curls are coming out. Just very effortless. This unit is long, you guys. She is long. And very pretty. I love that I don't have to do a lot to this wig. It just looks bomb. Now, I just love that you don't have to do a lot to this wig. You can literally put her on and go. And I love that about this unit. She's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, do you see how flawless this wig is? Like, sis, where you getting flawlessness like this? Like, she's bad. And I did cut layers into this unit. She has a ton of layers. As you can see, she has layers all through the front here, all through the bang area. She's very layered. And that's what's giving you this nice movement and this gorgeous bang. So you guys, I told you, throw one and go. What did I do to this wig? I did absolutely nothing. I put her on. I didn't lay a single baby hair. I didn't do anything. If you want a wig that is literally ready to go right out the pack, like, okay, let me stop lying. I did bleach the knots. I did pluck my parting space, and I did pluck the hairline. But as you can see, this wig is so bomb, you don't even need to use the hairline. I'm not even showing the hairline. Like, I could spray this unit back, show, you know, how bomb the hairline is. You know, this hairline is banging. That's my hair right there. I'm gonna push my hair back. This hairline is banging, and you can see that she's banging. And I could show you guys the hairline by, you know, gelling all of this back and doing all that. But honestly, like, is it necessary? Like, I really don't feel like it is. Like, I could hairspray all this back and, you know, really show you guys how flawless the hairline is on here. Like I said, she did come pre-plucked, but I did pluck the hairline as well. And the hairline is banging. Like, it's definitely bomb. But it's really not necessary to go and do all that. I'm gonna back up so you can see how long she is. Back up. So you can see she's long. She's definitely long. She's so pretty. So pretty. So here we go. So gorgeous. This unit is banging. So banging. Look at this wig. She's everything. So I would definitely say check out Beautiful Princess Hair, because you will feel like a beautiful princess. Ow. So if you guys have questions for me, if you want to see how I cut my wigs to get these layered, let me slide up. If you guys want to see how I cut my wigs to get these layers and to get this flow, and how I mold my wigs for them to lay the way that they do, you can absolutely request it in the comments down below, and I will be sure to share that video, create a video and share it with you guys. In the meantime, if you guys have any other questions for me, if I forgot anything in this video, let me make sure I talked about everything. I talked about the construction. I talked about the density. Density is very natural on this one. You're not going to feel like you have a whole ton of hair on your head, but you're also not going to feel like it's thin. Okay, so the density is beautiful. Texture, silky. The texture is extremely silky. And then for me to get even more of a silky texture, I use BioSilk. I use BioSilk conditioner when I condition the wig, and I also use BioSilk serum when I blow dry the hair. I don't add any more BioSilk after that, but that's how I get this pressed out, really smooth look. What else do I need to talk about? I feel like that's it, you guys. If I missed anything, please leave it in the comments down below, and I will be sure to get back to you. I have been doing so much better with my comments, you guys. It is a personal goal of mine to respond back to every single one of you guys, as long as you're not leaving no foolishness. It is a personal goal of mine to respond back to every single one of you guys. Okay, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and Facebook. Everywhere is at Jess the Dragoness, and I'll see you guys in the next one.